Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on this Strava application. So first of all, of course, you would like to have this Strava application already downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you will have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Of course, once it's downloaded, that will be great, and now you'll need to go and open it up. Once you open it, they'll ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to log in into it. But if you don't have an account, they'll give you three options to create your account. They'll give you the option of creating your account with Facebook, with Google, and of course with the email. So once you did one of those options, one of these three options, you'll find yourself here. Let me just open the app at this home screen or this main page, of course, which is going to be the home of the Strava application. And here you will find the post that you already posted on your profile or with this account on your home screen. Of course, if you have some friends, you will find other posts here as well. So what we said we are going to do is just to show you how to unfollow someone on the Strive application. So of course, if you want to do that, you would like to go to you here at the bottom right corner, and normally you will find yourself here at this progress option. If you are here, make sure to click at this profile section at the top right corner, and here you will have the option to click add following. Of course, here, as you can see, I don't have any following. So if you click here, of course, which is like find athletes, you can just add some friends if you want, suggested friends if you have some. Facebook if you want to connect with Facebook and add friends from Facebook, contacts, or even with QR code. Of course, for me, I don't have any followers, but for you, if you want to unfollow someone, simply just make sure to hit the unfollow button or click on it, and that will take you into his profile, and click at unfollow and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.